Okay, so on FP1 Summer 2016 question, oh no, question 1. Find that sum, giving your answer in a fully factorised form. It was great, most of you recognise that the first thing you're going to have to do with that is to multiply out the brackets. Have you just kicked the camera? And that gives you r squared, or what would it be? Minus 3r plus r, so that's minus 2r, and then minus 1. So you recognise that you have to multiply out the brackets first to get that, and then you do it as separate sums. I'm going to write it in detail because it's nice to write it a bit more nicely. So it ends up looking like that. I missed out the 1 to n, but you get the idea. Then we're applying the formulae to that. That would be 3 lots of 1/6. Is that right? N. Is it n plus 1, 2n plus 1? Am I remembering this right? Minus twice a half n plus 1 minus n. Have I got all of those right? And for that, you're getting a pile of marks straight away. You know, we've got 3 marks for getting that line as it is there. So most of you got, I think everybody got those 3 marks, didn't you? And then the next bit of this is we have to give it in a fully factorised form. So all we need to do now is to pull this together, look at what we've got as factors. We've got, well actually I'm going to write it again just so that I can see the terms more clearly. We've clearly got n as a factor, haven't we? I think it makes sense at this stage to take 2 out as a half out as a factor as well. So we've got a half n plus 1, 2n plus 1, minus 2n plus 1, minus 2. Okay, because a half times minus 2, a half n times minus 2 gives us the minus n. We need to collect together the stuff in the square bracket. A half n, 2n squared, plus n plus 2n is plus 3n, plus 1, minus 2n, minus 2, minus 2, which gives us a half n, 2n squared, what we ended up with in there, plus n, and then minus 3. And it did say in a fully factorised form, so we need to check whether that factorises. It does. It factorises as being 2n and n. What do we need? What would it be? A 1 there and a 3 there, and that needs to be a plus and that needs to be a minus. Is that right? We agree with that. And there's your answer in fully factorised form. There it is, and that was 5 marks, and quite a nice start to the paper. Okay, and that's maths.